Yo, Rob, I'm about to hit this exit up. You want some food, man?
Fuck, I tell you about that shit, man. Fuck you talking to, man?
What the fuck is wrong with you, nigga?
Fuck is Rob, man? Nigga, my name is Thoro Nature. Nigga. Right, nigga.
Your name is Rob, nigga. What the fuck are you talking about? I always call you Rob.
Nigga, you know my fucking name.
Oh, you brand new now. Oh, you brand
Nigga,
new.
listen. They see me on stage and on TV and the videos and fucking radio shows and shit. What they call me? What they call me?
They call you Thoro Nature.
It's my fucking name. I don't get it fucked up. Fuck that Rob shit, man.
What the hell?
I don't even know that motherfucker.
How the fuck am I supposed to spell Thoro Nature? How the fuck you spell Thoro Nature?
Man, thoro nature, motherfucker.
Oh, you
get
just
that
went,
shit right.
You just went
I
and
look
bought it.
like, nigga, I ain't Webster. I ain't no motherfucking dictionary. Get that shit right. Or I was gonna whoop your ass next time.
My bad. Thoro, would you like something from McDonald's?
Listen, I wanna have a quarter pounder of foot in your ass if you call me Rob again. You think that shit's a game? Motherfucking James on your ass, be Superman.